Hit a Nevada courtroom earlier today. A Nevada judge ruled against the NFL's attempt to compel arbitration in the Jon Gruden lawsuit.
Anchor Dave Crevassier talked with AJ Perez from the Front Office Sports about this decision and what this means moving forward.
Really, this was the first court action in this case since it was filed, right?
Yeah, this is the first major hearing so far, and there were two things they were discussing. The NFL was trying to get the case either tossed out totally or thrown into arbitration, where Roger Goodell or somebody who he appoints would hear. It'd be totally secret.
Hard to get into the judge's mind, but why would she throw those two requests out?
Oh, there was a little chance that she would under the state law. They have a broader authority to see these cases through, and so she rejected both of the motions the NFL was seeking.
You actually talked to Gruden after that proceeding. I know it was a short conversation, but can you tell us what he said?
Yeah, he wouldn't really comment on. He was smiling. It was a big victory for him because it would have ended. It all could have ended today, this morning in court. So yeah, he was smiling. He didn't want to talk about what happened and or what's next, but he was like, I'm here to see some friends, and he said, "Go Raiders."
Big victory for Gruden, but really the headline is it's bad for the NFL, possibly.
Yeah, there's a couple other cases going on, including the Brian Flores lawsuit, the former coach of the Miami Dolphins, and now the NFL is coming off a big settlement in St. Louis where they had to spend hundreds of millions of dollars, and now it's going to be this is going to be a fight over documents at this point. Now the NFL told me that they're going to appeal one of today's rulings. We'll go to an appeals court, and that could take a long time. But they're going to be fighting against documents being released, including all the emails that were kind of scooped together during the Washington Commanders investigation.
So with discovery on the table, what does this mean in regards to the legal battle and specifically the impact on the league? Because the NFL's a closed society. They keep their cards close to the vest. So what does this mean for them?
They're going to be fighting. They're going to be fighting this not only to throw out the decision, one of the main decisions today, but also to keep the documents sealed. They're going to, in going by previous cases, they have fought tooth and nail to keep all the the financials from the owners of the league, and also any exchanges like the emails that we're talking about. They're going to be fighting to keep those from the public eye.
I know the Raiders are going to probably try to distance themselves from this whole thing, but I mean, Gruden and the Raiders are synonymous. What is a likely reaction from the Raiders? Just a statement or what?
Yeah, I reached out today. I haven't heard anything back. I know Kaepernick's around, so maybe that's why. But you can't really go back in time. I don't see. There's no way Jon Gruden's going to be rehired at this point. Maybe many years down the road, and if things can change. But this doesn't impact. This did impact. We found a little more out about the how and why. The first email leak was to the Wall Street Journal, and Mark Davis didn't force him out at that point. Gruden's lawyers today said that the league leaked more documents to the New York Times, and that basically within hours Gruden was out of a job.